Hey, welcome back. So, a friend of mine gave me this big bag of KitKats, and I don't know what to do with them. So I was looking on YouTube to see how I can utilize them, and apparently you can make chocolate chip cookies. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make KitKat chocolate chip cookies. And my helper here, this is my daughter, and her channel is, what's your channel?
The Life of M 2005.
The Life of M 2005. So you can jump over there and check her channel out. But anyway, so this is what you're going to need.
You will need a half a cup of melted butter, a half a cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, 1½ cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of KitKat pieces.
There we go. So first what we're going to do is we're going to cream together the sugar and the butter. Good.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's good. Alright, now we're going to add the 1 egg. If we
I
can...
already cracked it on one side, so there we go.
And we'll try not to get any shells in it. Good job! Yeah, I'll take that. And the vanilla.
Oh, I got it on my finger. Oops. Oopsies. Let me borrow that for a second.
Alright, we're going to mix these two and we're going to cream them together really well. Okay, so now I'm going to set that aside for a second. We're going to add the baking powder and the salt, and they're both going to go into the flour. And I'm going to work those up. I think let's transfer all this into a bigger bowl. Now you can add the flour a little at a time, and if you want to try to use this,
Tell me when to stop.
That's good. Whip this in, and we do it together. Okay, go ahead. Add some more. And you this looks a little wet. We'll just add a little bit more flour. Just a minute of time. There you go. Got it. Good. Okay. I should have. Okay. this. Not bad, that worked. Okay, so I'm going to add the rest of this and do this by hand. And I think maybe at this point we should put those chips in.
All of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Oopsies.
And then we'll just try to get this into a ball. I think that'll be fine. Maybe a little bit more flour. That's good. You want to get the plastic wrap there?
How much is it?
Enough to cover the ball. So now, it looks like everything's in here good, or in here well. And we want to refrigerate this for about 20 minutes, just so it stiffens up a little bit. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put it on some plastic wrap and put it in the fridge.
Go to the fridge. Is our fridge? Right here.
Yep. And that's it.
That's it.
I should have mentioned this in the beginning. You want your oven preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Get the
Dough.
get the dough.
Okay. Should I close it?
Okay.
Wait, let me taste. Yummy.
All right. So you want them all about the same size. So I'm going to use this
Scooper.
the scooper. I'm going to put them in. You want to keep a little distance between them, maybe an inch or two. And that's about it. You want to do this?
Yeah.
You need two hands,
Sorry.
so there you go. So while she's doing that, I'm going to take a spoon, I wet it, and I'm just going to press them down a little bit. Alright, so we'll finish this tray up and then we'll be back. Okay, so now we're going to put them in the oven.
Which way? Vertical or horizontal?
Just the way you have it there. Just put it, no, that's just like that. Put it all the way in. Okay. And that's going to go in for 8 to 15 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 10 minutes.
Oh.
we're gonna do is we're gonna get an idea of how long. So I know I said 8 to 15 minutes. We're gonna go 10 minutes to see what they look like at 10 minutes, and then adjust it from there.
So.
Okay, I'm using these silicone mats. I mean, obviously, if you don't have these, you can use parchment paper. So, go ahead.
There's the one with the big piece. And you go 2 more small ones.
Okay, so we actually went a total of 13 minutes, and they look like they're ready. So Emily's going to take them out.
Oh, they look so good.
Okay, now put the other one in. Alexa, set timer for 13 minutes. So we're going to go 13 minutes.
They look very good. That one is like perfect. And that one too.
So we're just going to let them cool for a couple minutes, and then we're going to taste test. Okay, so this has been sitting for a couple minutes. I'm just going to take them. I'm going to put them on a cooling rack, and then we will taste them. Okay, so the second batch. And that's it. I guess these will be our testers.
Yeah.
They gotta sit a second.
Okay. You do it. Those are testers.
I know, but they still gotta go on there to cool.
They smell amazing. Smells like Halloween and Christmas time at the same time.
Well, that's because that's when I usually bake cookies, and that's what you're associating cookie smells with. So okay. Okay, so we got the little ones that we're using as testers. So, okay.
Okay.
You ready?
Uh-huh. Mmm.
Mm. Those are good.
Mm-hmm.
It's not too much like a chocolate chip cookie, but
Like you have the texture of the cookie itself, and then you have the texture of the KitKats.
yeah. Definitely. So, okay, so that's it. So, I'd like to thank my little girl here for helping me out, and I'm going to put this recipe in the description. Anyway, I hope you like this, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.
Bye.